The Great Escape. Scene, a lively farmyard with clucking chickens, quacking ducks, and a sheep or two. Enter Benny, the adventurous pig, and Molly, the curious hen. Benny, oinking, Molly, I've got a plan. Molly, clucking, oh really, Benny? What's the big idea this time? Benny, excited, we're going to stage the great farmyard escape. Break free from the daily routine, you know? Molly, doubtful, escape? But where will we go? Benny, snickering, to the legendary mud paradise on the other side of Farmer Brown's fence. They say it's a pig's dream. Molly, giggling, mud paradise? Sounds messy but intriguing. How do we get there? Benny, whispering, we dig our way out, of course. Pauses, you're good at scratching, right? Molly, confused, scratching? Benny, I'm a hen, not a bulldozer. They both burst into laughter. Benny, grinning, well, I guess we'll have to improvise. Ready for the greatest adventure of our lives? Molly, clucking, let's do it. But if we get caught, I'm blaming this on you, Benny. They start plotting their escape, and the farmyard echoes with laughter and the sounds of their grand adventure.